Vice President Sadc Chiwenga says future generations will curse the current crop of leaders if they allow precious raw materials to be exported without beneficiation. Salabda mashoko buda panko ena tuna vipi Sadc Chiwenga speaks panau awadzima minerals achiti aiwa let's do beneficiation value addition munyika yedu timborega awa kumbo export ma minerals edu timbo ma processor toga to create opportunities in employment. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina mnaweza mudani kwa mchinzi. This follows the government's immediate ban on the export of all raw materials and lithium concentrates, citing under a declaration by some miners. While the ban had been previously set for 2027, the government pointed out that mining companies were now scrambling to get as much of the raw minerals as possible before the ban took effect. Addressing traditional chiefs in Merengwa Wednesday, where he was touring the state-owned Sandawana mines, Chiwenga said Zimbabwe would be making a grave mistake if lithium mining leaves future generations with nothing but abandoned excavation pits instead of lasting wealth and development. In quotes, as we mine, we are leaving these pits open. The next generations will ask what used to happen here, and we will tell them we used to mine lithium here and you have nothing to show for it. We will be foolish to leave nothing except peace for the generations to come. We are not the first nor the last. There were generations who came before us and left these natural resources, and we should do the same to leave wealth for the future generations. If we do not leave anything for the future generations, they will spit on our graves. Let us leave a legacy which will be respected, Chiwenga said. Chiwenga bemoaned the harm which came with the export of raw lithium ore, which included damaging roads and pollution without meaningful economic returns. Sandawana Mines, which falls under Mutapa Investment Fund's Energy Minerals portfolio, says it is advancing plans to construct a lithium concentrator plant at an estimated cost between $275 million. The proposed facility is expected to process up to 3 million tons of ore per annum, with commissioning targeted for December 2027. Toma developments are from Zimbabwe. Nakuma section medu za fungo emu tulipa msorobe chitko each. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.